Hey guys, today we are going to take a look at the installation process for our newest product, which is the Vertis specific side skirts. This is a plug and play part, no alterations required. We will run you through the entire process in this video. This is a side skirt which is wrapped in satin space gray for our car, our garage car. We will go through the entire process now. So this is the car without the side skirts. So there is no much of a light catching element on the side profile. Here we are doing the test fit check for the part. Generally a Volkswagen group has a very tight shut line, so it is necessary to do this to check if the doors open properly and all that before you align the skirts. Please do that. Post that, all you require is a silicone sealant which has to be applied to the running length of the skirt. Do not apply too much. Very minimal is required to fit this. Since there is a step on the side skirt, it gets locked very easily. All this sealant is just to keep it in place and intact. To do it very carefully without putting too much, which is not required for this installation. We will add the link of this to our bio, because so many people asked us where to buy this silicone sealant, that we will add it to the bio. So now he's applied the sealant for the entire skirt. Now you need to just take it and put it on the car. The process is, once the skirt is repainted and ready, just test fit check once, then put the sealant and just press it on the entire stretch. So it takes cover at least minimum of 2 to 3 hours to dry. Once it is dried, it is good to go. You need not have any worries about it. In case if somebody wants to fasten it with screws also, you can do it. On the front end, you already have mounting points which has been provided by the company to mount your mud flaps. You can use that to bolt it also, if you are worried about it falling off, which it will not, because in our car we have not done that. But same thing goes for the other side as well. Sealant and then press it and install it. So we will be just putting it in position with masking tape or cello tape, just to keep it intact for some time before the sealant dries up. Once it is dried, that's it, it's good to go. It took us around 3 hours, and then we took it off and took the car for a spin. It's good. Hope you guys like the product. You can order it on our social media platforms or reach our representative on our company number. Thanks for watching.